Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 129 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, this bill has met with such general approval throughout the country that it does not stand in need of any long introduction from me. The Lok Sahayak Sena has been functioning during the last 18 months. It has aroused great enthusiasm. It is now public knowledge that our aim for the present is to train a lakh of people every year. The scheme is for 5 years and we mean to do this by means of holding some 500 camps in a year. We use 10 months of the year, avoiding the monsoon season, and we hold these camps in different parts of India in practically every state. One camp was held in Jammu and Kashmir, and we have also camps down south everywhere with huge areas which are generally close to community welfare project centers. Sometimes the state governments have represented and emphasized that in order to rouse public enthusiasm and to awaken public consciousness, we should hold these camps in other centers also. In these 18 months, somewhere about a lakh and 50,000 people have been trained. The response has been very fine, and everyone who is between the ages of 18 and 40 is welcome. People generally come from the rural areas, and all castes and communities are represented. The camp is for 1 month, and the conditions under which the trainees live are military conditions. Free ration is given and free uniforms are given, and when the camp is dispersed, an out of pocket allowance of rupees 15 per head is given to the trainees. I have visited them, and I imagine some honorable members might have seen these camps too. The conditions under which the trainees live are just like military conditions, and they lead during that 1 month a fairly strenuous life. Military training is imparted. There is physical drill, there are the marches, rifle shooting, and all that. To those who are not literate, an effort is made to give some instruction, and particularly instruction in what I may call the art of making a good citizen of India. Our aim is to utilize this 1 month to create a sense of leadership in every trainee, because it is not merely our purpose to give them military training but to make them better citizens and to make them take an active part in the life in their own village. As the house knows, throughout the countryside there is a wave of enthusiasm flowing. People are most anxious to help themselves. There is the Shramdan movement. There is a desire to build roads and dams and to spread the gospel of education, and what we require is leadership in the village itself, a sense of discipline in the village, and we are hoping that this training that we impart, apart from the purpose that it may serve in times of need, whenever there is an emergency, in peacetime. Also, the training will be useful and it will rebound to the benefit of the country at large.